Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see the band ride continued into Friday. We closed near new all-time highs at 38.24 half. They pulled it back 20, 25 handles here in Globex. Whether that is just, a move back that's going to get bought or something deeper remains to be seen. As we go over to the hourly chart, you got your new weekly pivot there, 37.66.33, 9 days at 53, 20 days down at 37.17. You see the monthly, you see the pre-FOMC price. So the rules for identifying a pullback that could be remotely meaningful remain the same, and they are as follows. Bears, here's the deal. You pick two lines on the chart. Any two lines that make a difference here. Weekly pivot, 9-day, those are the two closest within sight. Kind of like you did back here Monday, Tuesday of last week. You close below those, then you stay below those for an entire Globex session. If you do that, then the tape might take you seriously about a pullback. Failure to do that, it's just... and you start doing this like Tuesday and then Wednesday, and then you confirm here at the monthly pivot, it's just another dip that's going to get bought. They have to take out levels that matter. They have to close below them. They have to stay below them. Absent that, we continue to bleed up. A test of the daily midband. Are we going to see daily midband again this month? I think we will. I do. And, depending on what's going on geopolitically and headlines and things like that, we could get another really, significant push down. But ultimately, these things are getting bought. And until you see follow through by the bears, until you see downside staying power by the bears, that starts to knock some of these blind buyers, they're just coming and blindly buy any dip they have. Until those people start to get their hand burned a little bit, you're not going to see the behavior of this tape change. So what do? Well, you need to be long more often than you're short. Shorts are trades. You can, we had some really nice short trades last week, but they were trades. And we had some nice long trades. Take your profits where you find them. Let the runners work. We spent the whole week, all we did really, honestly, was get our third off, get some really big middles, and then see which runners want to develop into 20, 30, 40, 50 handle trades. The ones that did great, the ones that didn't, we end up rolling up and taking what we can and then looking at what the next trade's going to be. But don't start getting, don't get stubborn, don't get ideological, don't start looking at the television more than you're looking at your chart and saying, well, look at what's going on out there. Look what's going on out there. How are we going up? That's not, you got people in the Capitol, you got the 25th Amendment, you've got COVID, you've got impeachment. Why are we going? We shouldn't be going up. Well, who the hell are you? Who the hell am I? You have to distinguish price on a chart from the noise in the world, or you will pay the price every single day in these markets. Price is a reflection of price. Price is not a reflection of whatever you watched on 60 Minutes last night. And that is where I think the majority of people are going to get tagged this month, spending way too much time imputing their opinions onto the headlines of the day versus trading the reality of price on the chart. It is what it is. Respect price, respect risk, take profits where you find them, and move on to the next trade, whatever that trade may be, long, short. And let me be clear. You can be short in this market. You have to pick your spots. There have been some good shorts, but they're trades. Until you see the rules I laid out getting followed. Two lines on the chart, close below, stay below for a Globex. And even then, it really only owes you daily midband, which is your equalizer. And it's still got to deal with monthly pivot back there, and we saw what happened here with that. Bears have dug themselves an incredible hole. Now, you get the right piece of news, it'll retrace it all in a day, not even less. But shorting and shorting and shorting and shorting and getting nailed and nailed and nailed and nailed and nailed, waiting for a piece of news that's going to come who the hell knows when, if ever at all, is not the way to trade the tape. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.